An Etruscan shrew, just waking. But it's no slow start. Her pulse rockets to over 1,000 beats per minute. Time to get up, get out, and get hunting. With the fastest metabolism of any mammal, this frenzied killer must consume 6 times her body weight a day, or she'll starve. It's finding prey that's the trick. Those big ears actually don't hear so well. And with pin-sized eyes, she's almost hunting blind. Thankfully, another sense is superpowered. Shrews feel their world with whiskers. A quarter the length of her body, she uses them to scan her surroundings. Her sense of touch is so acute, the slightest vibration triggers instant attack. 25 milliseconds, 12 times faster than the blink of an eye. And a little lava is just for starters as her killing spree begins. Only the size of an almond, she's the smallest mammal on Earth. But not much is out of her reach. Even a locust, twice her size, is fair game. Feeding frenzy over. It's time to retire and recharge. Just a quick 7-minute power nap, and this voracious little terror is at large again.